Good evening, classmate and tutor. Today we are going to carry out the conference related to the views of the video. Me Too is a movement, not a moment. Before to start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Álvaro Vargas. I live in Girardot, and I want to explanation about the video or give you my point of view. Jamid, go on.
Hi Álvaro, how about you?
Fine, man, fine. Introduce yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, man, introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Jamil Rojas. It's a gratitude for me to be in this encounter when we speak about Me Too is a movement, not a moment. It's important that movement, and I hope that you participate and give me your point of view about that movement.
Excellent, partner Jamil. Rocío, it's your turn.
Hello, tutor and partners. This is my opinion from the video of Tarana Burke. In this video, I show the taxes to eradicate sexual abuse that victims can overcome their traumas by removing their fears and confronting the world. It's important to educate people on this problem. Thank you.
Okay, compañera, partner Rocío. Rosalba, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, Rocío, Jamil, and Álvaro. This is my name is Rosalba Farfán Centeno. This is a new activity for our course in our university. It's a interesting exercise because we can practice in the world language.
Okay, partner Rosalba, please close the microphone.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to give our point of view about the video. The question will be, what is my opinion or point of view about the video? From my point of view, sexual violence in the world is something that must end. People must unite to counter it, this difficult situation that affect not only women but also men. That is very important. Jamil, what is your point of view, man?
Okay, I think that the Me Too movement, it is a movement that helps people like children, women, mainly vulnerable people who have been victims of sexual violence. In some countries, this movement is not known, mainly in countries where there is a lot of racism and sexual violence, so as the United Kingdom, France, and South Africa. Countries of South Africa and Congo, excuse me. I think that we must become aware and respect women and children at home. The respect begins in our homes. That is my point of view.
Excellent, partner. It's an excellent. And Rocío, what do you think about the video?
I think that the movement has investigated this problem taking into account the different population, trans, indigenous, people with disabilities, and African American. Is a problem from in different countries.
Okay, okay, it's very well. And partner Rosalba.
Okay, hello again. The camera worker insists or spot all time about the importance in the respect in our society, in our home in general. She said it's very important. It's very important re-educate to our society because re-educate in our respect is a basis for contra sexual violence. The principal idea this movement is create unison in the world about this sad topic. In a few unison in all countries, in all people.
Okay, Rosalba, good job. Finally, I want to say, or I think the government should severely push it, this crime, but the abuser cannot be allowed to be free. The government should safeguard the integrity of the nation. That is the point of finally. Partner and classmate, thanks for these times. Bye bye.